What if I told you the best training I ever received for running my Etsy shop didn't happen in a business course? It happened in a classroom. And here's the part you might not expect. The longer I've been a vintage reseller, the more I realize I never actually left teaching at all. The planning, the organization, the adapting, and the people skills, every bit of that followed me right into this business. But this video isn't just about me, because you brought a whole toolkit from your own life too. Whether you came from healthcare, administration, retail, engineering, raising a family, or anything else. Today, I want to help you look back at your own career and see how it has already prepared you for success right where you are. And it all starts with the skill I didn't realize would matter as much as it does. Hi, I'm Carol, and I run a vintage decor shop on Etsy. When I retired from teaching, I thought I was turning a page completely, closing one chapter and opening another. But very quickly, I started seeing little things I used to do in my classroom show up in my shop, in my workflow, even in how I think about my customers. But again, this video isn't really a biography. It's really an invitation for you to recognize the strengths that you already carry into your shop, often without even realizing it. As I walk through each segment today, I'll share how my years in the classroom shaped the way I run my vintage business. But I also want you thinking about your own story, your own career, your own life experiences, because whether you were a nurse, an office manager, a hairstylist, an engineer, a stay-at-home parent, every one of those backgrounds gave you skills that translate beautifully into reselling. And to make today a little more fun, probably more fun for you than for me, but okay, I'm going to sprinkle in some of my old school photos throughout my teaching years. These were tucked away in various places, yearbooks, file folders, and pulling them out reminded me just how much those seasons formed the way I work today. So let's start right where it all began for me, and as we go, I want you picturing your own beginning too. Throughout my teaching career, I was a meticulous planner. I scripted out lesson plans, not because I would eventually read from them, but because they grounded me and I could make sure that everything I needed to say was in my head. They gave me clarity and direction, and I loved tying my lessons back to standards because it reassured me everything was moving my students forward. When I started selling vintage on Etsy, I was surprised to discover that my brain works the same way here. My routines and workflows today, inventory systems, pricing steps, photo order, listing structure, feel like the adult version of lesson planning. They keep my shop organized, intentional, and calm. Just like I used to watch other teachers for new classroom techniques, I learn from other resellers now on YouTube. I'm always absorbing new ways to merchandise, photograph, and present pieces in my shop. So think about your past life for a moment. What did you learn about planning? Were you a checklist person? A step-by-step thinker? Did you learn by watching others? Those instincts, even if they came from a completely different profession, are the same instincts that can shape the backbone of your vintage business today. My classroom was always evolving. Every year, I'd discover organizational tweaks that made things flow better, and I'd change the room layout to serve my students more effectively. Because I taught 6th, 7th, and 8th grade in a looping program, the routines I built in 6th grade supported us for years. And since I wasn't teaching the same subject every period of the day like so many other teachers in middle schools do, precision with time was essential. Time was a finite resource, and I learned how to protect it. That mindset shows up constantly in my reselling life. Running both a Michigan and Florida inventory, balancing Etsy with creating quality YouTube content, and still having time to enjoy retirement requires the same intentional structure I used in the classroom. When your routines are strong, your business feels lighter. So ask yourself, where did you learn structure? Did a demanding job teach you to prioritize? Did parenting teach you time management on a whole different level? Did your former career teach you to keep multiple moving parts running smoothly? Those strengths transfer beautifully into running an Etsy shop. Teachers know that not every student learns the same way. Differentiation is the art of helping more people get it. You'd be surprised how similar that is to reselling. Styling photos so buyers can imagine an item in their own home. Choosing descriptions that answer unspoken questions. Knowing which angles to help customers feel confident. Those are all forms of differentiation, meeting your customers where they are. And that comes from empathy, something teachers practice constantly. What did your previous career teach you about people? About communication, patience, reading between the lines. Those skills, often the softest ones, are the ones that help you understand your buyers better than any algorithm could. The longer I taught, the more technology evolved around me. Early in my career, we filled out attendance forms and put them on the outside of our door, and they were collected every hour. I kept progress in an actual paper grade book until conference time, and then suddenly everything shifted online. Parents and students could see updates instantly. We had new systems, new dashboards, new expectations. I had to learn, adapt, and keep moving. That was just part of the job. And now I find myself doing exactly the same thing on Etsy. Analytics dashboards update. The algorithm shifts. Photo tools improve. Buyer behavior changes. Seller apps evolve. And the marketplace moves forward whether I'm ready or not. But the teacher in me, the one who could take a new system and learn it, still shows up today. I still enjoy learning, adapting, and staying curious. Now think about your own past life, your own past career. Did you ever have to adopt a new technology, a new workflow, a new reporting system? If you've ever had to shift with the times, and I know you have, you already have the adaptability to respond to Etsy's changes, interpret analytics, and make smart adjustments. Teaching is built on care. You care for your students. You care for their progress, their confidence, their growth, even their families. And reselling customer care is built from that same foundation. Clear, honest photos are a form of care. Accurate descriptions are a form of care. Thoughtful, timely shipping is a form of care. And just as important, boundaries. Teachers learn very quickly that burnout helps no one. That instinct to serve well without draining yourself carries straight into this business. So consider this. What has your life taught you about caring for people, supporting them, serving them, encouraging them? Those are the same instincts that help you run a shop customers return to again and again. So yes, when I say I never really left the classroom, I mean it. Those years shaped everything about how I run my shop today. And here's the bigger truth. You didn't come to Etsy empty-handed. Every job you've worked, every skill you've learned, every challenge you've walked through has shaped you into someone uniquely equipped for this moment in your business. And that reminds me of a verse from the book of Esther in the Bible, one that has stayed with me through so many seasons of my life. Yet who knows whether you have come to the kingdom for such a time as this. That's found in the book of Esther, chapter 4, verse 14. Just as God was preparing Esther long before she ever stepped into her purpose, you and I have been shaped, prepared, strengthened, and refined by experiences we may not have even realized were training us. But they were. They're our foundation, and they're part of what will carry our lives and our shops forward with confidence and purpose. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you walk away seeing your strengths a little more clearly and your business a little more intentionally, because you truly have been prepared for such a time as this.